we're going to install the light rafter tie hardware from National Hardware's Indio Collection. The Indio Collection is defined by symmetrical lines, square ends, and a straightforward design. This collection, when paired with any piece of stained wood, will make your outdoor structure a statement maker. To install, I'll need the light rafter tie and hex head screws. I recommend installing the light rafter tie underneath the 90-degree joining beam. Its sharp corners and black finish add a classic and sleek style to your project. Now, install the hex head screws using a 5/32 inch drill bit and a 5/16 inch hex bit socket. To add even more of that modern style, you can also add joist hangers. To install the joist hangers, you will also use the same hex head screws we used for the light rafter ties. Now, just like with the light rafter tie, we mark our spot, drill the holes, align the piece, and install. And now, thanks to National Hardware's Indio Collection, we've updated this existing pergola with a sophisticated style that will withstand the test of time.